Hi, this is Andrea. I created a book with my dad, and this is Imaginary Planet. This is a tutorial from zero to hero in Procreate. We'll draw a basketball, and by the end of this tutorial, you will know lots of Procreate tools and tricks, so you will be able to draw whatever you want. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go. So this is Procreate.
Procreate.
If I go in, there are some projects here. These are projects that I've been working on, and I'm going to draw a basketball, but I will need a new document. So I'll press the plus sign, and here I have a lot of sizes, as you can see, but we are going to get the square one because we're going to put it in Instagram, and in Instagram the pictures are squares.
Instagram is really cool because people have put their projects there and they look very cool.
And we are also going to put it on Instagram. Now I'm going to show you how to make a time-lapse video. So a time-lapse recording is a video,
but it's fast. It's all fast.
And we're going to make one, and you will see from the beginning to the end the video really fast, and it will be really cool. So I'm going to press the tool thing. I'm going to go on video, and I have to activate time-lapse recording. So you press this, and now it will be recording us how we draw and stuff. Now I'm going to show you how to import pictures on your project. So basically put a photo on your project. So we get out of Procreate, and I'm going to show you this app. So Unsplash is an app that you get images free. So you type what image you want, and then it gets all sorts of images of what you've typed. They are free, and you can use it on your project. It's like Google Images, but it's high quality.
I'll leave the link in the description.
So now I'll show you how to import an image. So you go to the tool again, you go to add, and press the second button, insert a photo. And this is the image that we chose in the Unsplash downloads.
We're going to use this photo like a reference in our project.
So you just press it, and it's right there. Now we can make it bigger, and we can make it smaller. And when you're done moving it, you press the arrow, the button with an arrow, and you're done. Subscribe and don't miss the next video. It's going to be really important. It's about brushes.